Ito ng asin guys, konti guys. Para masyadong ayan asin. Lagyan natin ng itlog guys. Ayan, butter dyan guys. Ayan. Laukayin natin guys. Ayan. Paminta guys. Ayan. Paminta yan guys. Lagyan natin. Para magdikit yung timpla niya guys. Ayan. Tapos mamaya guys, ito naman guys. Ayan guys, mag-butter ta guys. Ayan oh. Ayan, luto tayo ng buttered chicken guys. Ayan oh. Ayan guys oh, buttered chicken guys. So guys, buttered. Ayan. Guys, baliktarin natin guys. Pagkaluto guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, luto ng buttered guys. Ayan, buttered guys oh. Kunin na natin guys. Luto na siya guys. Buttered. Naluto na guys. Finished product na ako guys.